Heard, Johnny Depp verdict could bring several outcomes. Johnny Depp v. Amber Heard defamation trial on Tuesday. Supporters for both Depp and Heard are waiting to see which side will prevail in the high-profile trial and what monetary award, if any, the jury will decide on. Depp sued his ex-wife Heard for $50 million for defaming him in an op-ed she wrote in 2018 for The Washington Post, in which she alleged, without naming Depp, that she was a victim of domestic and sexual abuse. Heard countersued Depp for $100 million for nuisance, claims that are now being deliberated by the 7-person civil jury. During the 6-week trial in Fairfax, Virginia, countless testimonies were heard from both Depp and Heard, as well as other witnesses and experts, as well as abuse accusations from both parties. The court has heard audio recordings of the couple's volatile arguments, graphic details of Depp's severed finger injury and Heard's alleged bruising, among other key moments. During the 6-week trial in Fairfax, Virginia, countless testimonies were heard from both Depp and Heard, as well as other witnesses and experts, as well as abuse accusations from both parties. The court has heard audio recordings of the couple's volatile arguments, graphic details of Depp's severed finger injury and Heard's alleged bruising, among other key moments. It is unknown how long the jury's deliberation will last, and there could be several different outcomes once it reaches a verdict. First, the jury could rule completely in Depp's favor, meaning Depp would be awarded the entire $50 million he sought in his lawsuit. Or the jury could rule in favor of Heard, which could result in Depp having to pay $100 million in damages. However, there is also a chance that Depp could win the lawsuit but through negotiations after the verdict receive a lower amount than the $50 million he sued for. This could be a possibility if the jury rules in favor of Depp and Heard is not able to pay the entire amount awarded to Depp. Several legal experts have already speculated that if that were to happen, the Aquaman actress may have to file for bankruptcy. Lawyer Mark Breyer spoke on his TikTok account, saying, "So what's going to happen is Depp could go after all the money she had, she would probably file for bankruptcy, but certain things would be protected in bankruptcy. But the reality is that's the problem with laws where people aren't required to have insurance." Quote, "By the same rules, Heard could win her countersuit, but also get paid a different amount than what she was seeking. Additionally, the jury could decide that both Depp and Heard defamed each other through, or likewise, find that no one was defamed. Judge Penny Askerit could also declare a mistrial should the jury decide they cannot come to a unanimous decision. The jurors have been deliberating for over 5 hours at the time of publication, and if they do not reach a verdict on Tuesday, they will continue to deliberate on Wednesday morning. Newsweek reached out to a legal expert for additional comment.